Well, yesterday we did tell you that the month of September has been gloomy as far as the markets are concerned, because most of the indices traditionally in the last 5 years have managed to decline about 1 to 3.5%. That is, I'm referring to the Nifty Bank, as well as the broader market indices, which is the Nifty Mid and the Small Cap Index as well. However, the month of August was extremely positive, despite the last day market action that we saw, wherein the Nifty closed positive for the third straight month, as did the Nifty Bank, along with the broader market indices, which is the mid and the small cap index as well. So, how have analysts viewed the month of August and revised their target prices for the month itself? Let's have a look at that as well. But before that, let me just tell you the methodology that I have used to screen such stocks. So I looked at all the India listed stocks which are tracked by a minimum of 10 analysts who have target prices for the stock at the start of the month as well as the end of the month. And the result was that I got about 280 such stocks. So that's the total universe that we will be working with as far as this study is concerned. Now, if you have a look at the total 280 stocks, there are 80% stocks or 4 out of 5 stocks which have seen an increase in their target price for the entire month of August, while you have just about 14% stocks that have seen a downgrade in their target price, and the number of stocks or the percentage of stocks that have seen no change in their target price remains at about 6 odd percent. Moving on, there are 4 categories that I'm going to discuss right now. One is, starting off with the stocks that have seen the maximum increase in their target prices, and you have top 2 names that belong to the pharma space. One is Loris Labs, which has seen a more than 50% increase in its target price, and you have Divi's Labs, which has seen a 34% increase in its target price, followed by 2 large cap names that I'm going to refer. Bharat Forge, 31% target price increase in the month of August, while you have Z Entertainment, the large cap index stock, in fact, 26% increase in its target price, as well as Ujjivan Financial Services also makes it into this list with a 28% increase in its target price. On the flip side, which stocks have seen a downgrade in their target price, let's have a look at that. Though this list is not too exhaustive, you have Indian Bank that has seen 21% decline in its target price, followed by Vodafone Idea at 9%, and you have Container Corporation along with Chopper Stock that has seen an 8% decline in its target price for the month of August. And to top it off, you have ENIL, which has seen a 6% decline in its target price. Now, additionally, what I also did was look at how the buy recommendations and sell recommendations have changed in terms of the number of analysts that had buy or sell recommendations. Let's have a look at the change in the buy recommendations. You have Z Entertainment. More than 50% analysts that were tracking the stock have an increased buy rating of the stock as well, followed by Divi's Laboratories, 43% increase in its buy rating, and you have City Union Bank along with Ashok Leyland and Exide Industries, which have seen an increase of more than 30% in their buy rating. On the flip side, which stocks have seen an increase in their sell rating? Let's have a look at those as well. You have Ramco Cements, 29% increase in its sell rating, and you have Sun Pharma along with Ramco Cements that has made it into the top of the list, 29% increase in its sell rating. And then you have Balkrishna Industries along with ONGC as well as L&T Infotech that has seen a more than 20% increase in its sell rating.